Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is TK23181 and I'm reviewing the 3D printed DLT 19X kit I ordered. So this kit was it was all black. It came in like 15 pieces or so, 15 plus pieces. What you do is you sand those pieces so the 3D print lines aren't visible anymore, but as you can see, if we go very close, you can see there are some lines still visible. It was I sanded a lot, and I think I sanded most of the lines away. So this kit comes in several pieces. So what you do is you sand those pieces, you glue them together, and then you use some Bondo to make some lines disappear between the pieces. What I did afterwards was I used a primer to prime all of the build, and then I used a black satin spray paint to spray it. After it was sprayed with a black satin spray paint and it dried, I used some Robin Buff silver, and that's a kind of silver paint in a tube you rub on the surface of your prop to make it look like it was scratched and used and like metal underneath. Yeah, that's about it. This is the DLT 19X as seen in the game Battlefront. Okay, bye guys. May the force be with ya.